Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Roam is enabled on your Starlink account. This unlocks the mobile profile. Next, power on the dish where you plan to use it, vehicle roof, RV rack, or ground mount. Open the Starlink app and sign in. The app detects the dish and prompts for location consent. Once detected, select the Roam service profile and allow firmware updates. This ensures the dish can hand off satellites while you move. Once the dish is updated, position it for an unobstructed sky view and use the app's signal map to adjust aim. Small moves can improve latency and throughput. Make sure the router or Starlink terminal is within cable limit and avoid parallel power cables to reduce interference. You should enable auto-connect and set network preferences for roaming. Then run the speed test in the app to verify expected performance. If speeds are low, tweak placement and wait for satellite handoffs to stabilize. To complete setup, firmly secure the dish and cable for movement and confirm the router has a steady power source. This prevents intermittent disconnects. If you lose service, reboot the dish and the Starlink app first, because most routing or handshake issues clear with a restart. Make sure Roam remains active on your account and that firmware isn't mid-update. If problems persist, capture the app logs and exact location, then contact Starlink support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.